Guys, today gonna do a transmission fluid change. It's usually what I use from Amazon. Dexron VI. It'll also say on the back on what you can use it for. Make sure you read that for your car. It's really easy. 11mm fluid funnel, along with your 19mm for your lugs. Let's start off. It's gonna be the bolt that I take off. And she's black. It's not good. It's a little too dark, a little overdue. This is also a magnet, so if you got metal shavings, it would be right here, which we don't. It's clean, so we know the transmission is still good. We're just gonna let that drain. Put this aside. Move our jack stand. Make sure you use these. A lot of people don't. Get that all level. Drain out. And we could also come up here. And this is where we're gonna fill. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. So strong. It's right here. Just twist to the left, and it comes wide open. So we'll have a drain. Right. It's been draining for like 5-10 minutes. Now, just gonna flush some new fluid through here. That way, get all that old shit out. See, this is what it should look like. Nice and red. I'm just gonna flush a whole bottle or half a bottle through until I start seeing red come out. It's just starting to get red. You can see that. Yeah, it's starting to get red. See, now it looks real good. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna give this 5 more minutes. 10 more minutes just dripping. Take that through. Alright, get it up. I like it. That's looking good now. Good. Down. Now this bolt doesn't have to go in all the way. You just want it tight and not drop. Not super tight. 15 maybe. Alright, now gotta come over here. Hold this over. Drain level plug. It's right here. Come over here. Take this wrench. Put underneath here. Oh shit. Jeez. Take that off. More metal. Cool. But now we're gonna fill up our transmission. Right. Don't have fun. Nothing. Still dry. Alright. Next one. Check it. Nothing. Smell it. Yep, there it goes. She's pouring. Alright, so now it's at a level there. We're gonna put the cap back on it. Alright, now cap this off. Just put this on here and tight. Cause take it back off. Take this off. Screw this back on. And I'm just gonna clip it from here. Yeah, look at this. It'll actually say Dexron V on the table here. That's pretty nice. Alright. We're gonna start it out. Make sure she's. Oh, yeah, she was up a little bit. Alright. That'll be fine. 62.
It's an excellent tide clean, and it doesn't leave behind irritated tires with fumes, so it's gentle on your skin.
The e-brake on. And then I'm gonna go through the gears. Let it heat up a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna go reverse. Neutral. Drive. L. Drive. Neutral. Park. Reverse park. Do it one more time. Alright, with the car running. I'm gonna take this level plug back off. Oh yeah, can't back. See, got nothing now. Back him up. Almost there. I see it. You should start doing after this. There it goes. So that's what you want. That's perfectly. It don't matter how much you put in there. It's all gonna start coming out the side here. So we're good. That's it. I can just cap this off. Just double. All right. Okay. Put it down. That's it. We're done. Put that on. It's about the fourth one I've done on this car particularly. So if it's helped, like the video.